Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to enable the AI subtitles in this device. And this is a really useful feature, especially if you'd like to listen for something in other language and you'd like to read the subtitles for it, or you would like to translate it. Let me begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll all the way down to find additional settings. Then scroll down and localize the option AI Subtitles. And here we've got the options which are connected with the subtitles which will be generated. I wanted to draw attention to, first of all, the sound language. I will set it for English, but after tapping on it, you can open the list of supported languages, and you can also choose the target language, so to which you'd like to translate the language. You can choose something, or you can simply tap on Don't Translate and your device will show you the subtitles without the translation, of course. Another thing which we have to do is to create a shortcut, thanks to which we will be able to quickly turn on the AI subtitles. And let's unroll the control center, which is right here, and tap on Edit, because usually it is not shown in this section here. It is hidden in the system toggles. I've got it added, but if you don't, simply scroll, find this icon and tap on the plus icon, and your device will immediately apply it to this section. All right, so now what we have to do is to simply tap on this icon, and your device will show you this pop-out window with the AI subtitles. It is right now listening for the audio. We do not have anything playing on, so let me open the YouTube video and let me play it. And now we have to wait, and as you can see, our device is showing us, let me maybe volume it down a little bit, and now our device is showing us the subtitles in real time. Obviously, if you will choose, let me stop it, maybe right here. Obviously, if you'd like to use it for translation, just come back to those additional settings, scroll AI subtitles, and choose the target language. So I'll pick maybe French. Confirm. And now we can go back to our video. Let's open the AI subtitles again and just run the video, and your device will right now translate everything from English to French in my case. So this is how it works, and this is how to use it. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on this X button here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.